Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Cloudflare APO for WordPress SEO. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Cloudflare APO for WordPress SEO, start by logging into your Cloudflare account. If you don't have an account, create one at cloudflare.com. Once logged in, select the website for which you want to enable APO. Navigate to the Speed tab on the dashboard. Locate the optimization section within the speed settings. Here, you will find the option for Automatic Platform Optimization, or APO. Enable APO by toggling the switch to the on position. Once enabled, Cloudflare will start optimizing your WordPress site for speed and performance. Next, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Install the Cloudflare plugin by going to the Plugins menu and selecting Add New. Search for Cloudflare in the plugin repository. Click Install Now on the Cloudflare plugin and then activate it. After activation, go to the Settings menu in WordPress and select Cloudflare. Enter your Cloudflare account email and API key. You can find your API key in your Cloudflare account under My Profile. Once entered, save the settings to establish the connection. Now, ensure that your website's DNS settings are correctly configured in Cloudflare. This includes confirming that your site is set to proxied status for traffic optimization. To finalize the APO setup, go back to your Cloudflare dashboard. Check the APO status to confirm it is active and functioning. Test your website's performance using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or Metrics. Observe improvements in loading speed and overall user experience. Regularly monitor your site and adjust any cache settings as necessary. With Cloudflare APO enabled, your WordPress site is now better optimized for SEO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.